So we're in Fresno, California, taking a look at our water heater here. We had another company come out and take a look at it, and it is end of life. Heat exchanger is leaking down into here, and I highly doubt anything can be done to repair it. Anyways, so the homeowner contacted us back, wanted to know if we could install a new unit for them, and of course we agreed. So this is the Continuum. They sent us all the paperwork, and paperwork showed 0.6 to 6.5 gallon per minute flow. We've got a V75 unit going in, so this thing flows 7.5 gallons a minute, which I don't see it on there, but it's in the documentation. So anyway, same thing, 180,000 BTUs, and that's the Rinnai. So it's the V75. We do have a isolation kit for you. The homeowner says they've flushed it at some point, and the reason why is you can take these supply lines off and put adapters on there and flush it. But with this new kit, you don't need to take that apart anymore. It's got its own valves that you connect to. It makes it really easy for you to do that. So we are in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Rinnai V75 water heater. We've got another video that we took previously. We'll try and combine those. The main reason why is we put this in place and the serial number's on the side, and so we need that, but we're not going to pull this back out. So hopefully it's on that other video. Otherwise, we'll get a hold of Rinnai. Remind me to do that card that you've got and get this registered for you. Hopefully we can find the serial number on it. Anyways, V75 installed. And then what we've got down here is a brand new flush kit for you. So you're free to flush this, and if you'll text me when you get a chance and remind me to send you all the links for the pump and for the hoses and all that, we'll send that to you, and just flush this once a year. Also send you a video from Rinnai that shows you exactly how to do that. So flush kit, stainless steel connectors. These are Falcon stainless steel, 3/4 inside diameter. One is for the relief line, and then of course cold water, hot water. We didn't replace this valve because it wouldn't spin off. The other adapter was in the way, so we just left that in place. It's not leaking, so no concern there. So that's in good shape, not a big deal. These should last the lifetime of the home. Reused your gas connector and the valve that was in place. So everything's water heater brand new. And this is just we didn't tell you we were going to install these, but we did, because this is the way you're going to flush that. And the only other thing was that we had asked you to go ahead and check your temperature at both of the thermostats, make sure they're set at 120. We have a new panel that we got you as well, retrofit kit, because this is a little deeper than the old unit that was in there. And so we're doing some modifications right now as far as mounting screws, getting some stainless steel screws in there and whatnot. So we're going to do that and then put the cover back on. But you can see right now, there's your new installation, and you were concerned that it was Rinnai. That's it right there. So anyways, we'll take actually we won't take another video outside of that. This installation is done.